Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia, and in today's project I'm going to show you how to crochet this really simple but really unique bracelet made with t-shirt yarn. So for today's project we are going to use this lovely t-shirt yarn. Also I'll be using a 6.5 millimeter hook. Also you will need a yarn needle and some scissors. We are going to start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your two fingers and create a cross. Go under the first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and release. And now we are going to chain yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Continue this way. So your chain should be long enough to wrap around this part of your hand, so you can take it off easily. But bear in mind that t-shirt yarn can stretch as well, so you can make it a little bit smaller if you want it more tighter. Just right, so you can take it on and off without any struggle. Okay, so hold these last two stitches together and measure it like this in this part. Once you are done with your measurements, we are going to undo this first stitch here. So we're gonna undo this one here. Just take it out and you will have this little loop here. We are going to slip stitch into this circle here. Make sure your chain is facing up. Insert your hook inside this little ring. Yarn over and pull through these both loops. So one and second one. And make sure the chain is facing out like so. And now we are going to work into the spiral. We'll be working only slip stitching into this first loop, or the top loop if it's better. So we'll be working slip stitch into these top loops. Okay, insert your hook into this top loop like so. Yarn over, pull through that first loop and straight away the second one, and there we go. Into the next one, yarn over and slip stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and slip stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over and slip stitching. Be slip stitching into the top loop only, all the way around. Super easy, and it's so nice to work with this yarn. To be honest, it's really nice and soft and stretchy. All the way around. So I'm finishing my first round, and I have this last stitch here. So this is my first stitch here, and now you don't really need a stitch marker because this yarn tail indicates where you started, and we're gonna work into the spiral. So my last stitch was this one, so simply I'm going to do slip stitch into the next one, and that's how you're going to do your bracelet. It's super easy but really nice and unique. Just keep slip stitching into the spiral all the way around. For my bracelet, I am going to go with 6 or 7 rounds, but it's up to you how wide do you want your bracelet to be. So just keep slip stitching, and I meet you in the end once you are done with your 6 or 7 or maybe 8 rows. Then I'll show you what to do next. And remember, we slip stitching only into that top loop. And again, I'm on the beginning. I came to the end of my second row, and I'm simply going to do the next round, and it'll be just working into the spiral. We slip stitching only into the top loop. So I am finishing my 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th row. So I have 2 more stitches here, and this will be my last one here. So this is my last one, and I know it's my last one because it should go exactly in line with this first one here. Okay, so once you are happy with the number of rows, you are going to cut your yarn, but make sure you're gonna leave at least 15 to 20 centimeters long, and I show you why. So for our last stitch, we will insert our hook into these both loops here. So insert your hook, this one and this one, yarn over and slip stitch, and just pull the yarn like so. Okay, so this should be your last stitch, looking like this. So as we finish like this, you can tell we are not in the level, so we will need to level it together. Okay, so that's why we left this yarn tail longer, and I grabbed my 2mm hook, as it is much easier to insert into the bracelet. I'll show you in a minute. So turn your bracelet this way and count 1 2 and into the second or you can do it into the third one as well, but I think second one will be good. Insert your hook in under this V or the full stitch, and we are going to wrap it around this thin hook, and we need to get it out to the other side like this. Okay, so get it out. So there we go. Turn it around this way, and now we are going to create like an extra stitch, so it will look nice and in the level as well. So we're gonna take the yarn tail and do a cross, so it will create this extra stitch we were missing here. Okay, so insert your hook under this first one here and go under the both like so, and we're just gonna do exactly the same. We need to take it out, and now we have this nice extra stitch we were missing here. So once you have finished it, it's looking really good. We are going to cut the yarn off, leave this side for now, and we are going to exactly the same on the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way. I'm gonna do exactly the same. Let's just grab this thin hook and insert your hook into this third one or the second one. It's maybe second one is better, and take it in, and this side insert your hook here under the both loops and take it in like this, and we should have nice extra stitch we were missing here. And all we need to do now, just to hide these ends. This bracelet can be worn on this side, which I really like, or on the other side, this side. So if you prefer this side, you will need to hide the yarn ends on this side, on the inside, but I prefer this side. So I will be hiding my end inside here. So guys, I already threaded my needle, and as I like this side, I will need to turn it inside out. You will have to go between the stitches like this. Okay, and then I am going to insert my needle under maybe 1, 2, 3 stitches here, go under the stitches like so, and then 1, 2, maybe 3 up, so it's nice and secured, and just simply cut it off like so. Okay, and do the same with this one, and just simply get it off. And it's nice and secure. And now all you have to do, just turn your bracelet and it's looking amazing. I love this bracelet. Let's just put it on. And there we have it, guys. Amazing bracelet. And you can also add some buttons or maybe yoga symbols, which I love. That's what I'm going to do. And simply just sew it on top. You can use your imagination, add some beads, buttons, crystals, anything you like. It doesn't have to be this simple. It depends what you like, really. Thank you very much for watching. Please share my video, leave me a comment, and have a good day.